5, 4.
Hey! Didn't see you there. Well, your new instructions not included. This is episode 4. 4? What we're going to do today is try to rebuild this PC. What we're going to do now is feed in some footage of it being expertly took apart by Sean and Paul. So what we're told is if we build this properly, plug it in and it beeps, that's a success. We've got an hour to build it.
Do it?
An hour to build it. Because
Chris, I've just realised that does that, so I think it's
I've never seen a PC do that in his life. What's a hinge for? Keep the Sunderland fans happy. Nah. Not a reference. If you're watching in the present, if you're watching in the future, sorry that the deal fell through. Anyway, a bit of football man for the lads.
Going to ignore the fact you stole my joke, but
now that they're all gone, for all you
Tech
experts, where do we honestly start?
well, I feel like we should do this both together instead of going in separate parts.
Right, okay.
Because then it
Right,
makes
teamwork.
more sense.
I imagine they took it apart as a team. So
They've nodded, so yes. Well, he's nodded, the other ones.
died in the taking apart of the goods. What's
Right.
that?
So this looks like it might fit in here
Yeah.
because they look quite similar.
Have you seen Small Soldiers?
Yes, it looks like the chip from
When they
that.
put the chip,
Yeah.
Major Chip Hazard, and he becomes an evil.
What's the name of the good guys that are actually?
Gargonites. Oh, Gargonauts.
Gargonauts.
Comment
Oh.
below who the Small Soldiers bad guys were.
But we're actually the good guys.
Kirsten Dunst was in that.
So this is Western Digital, and it also says hard drive, so I'm guessing this is a hard drive.
Can I be honest with you? I honestly thought everything would just
Slot in.
plug into each other.
Well, I feel like it does, but I feel like we just don't have a clue about
Right.
it. Because we've spent 5 more extra minutes talking instead of trying. Because, right, have you got a bit that might put it into this?
Right, yes.
That's not it.
Right, that's the fan. Fan got to go at the back. Where's the back? That's the front. No, that's the back. Back fan? What do you
I
call
feel
it?
like
This is murder for him, you know, because he knows we're doing it wrong. He wants to tell us how to do it, but it's against the rules.
Nope. Right, so. That's all I know. Medic.
Stop dropping this!
Well, what are you doing besides from hurting yourself?
Right, I think he gave up on this far too quickly.
So I think that should sit like that.
Ooh! That's how you catch them.
There we go.
There we
There
go.
we go. 1 bit down.
So what,
28 others.
so what have you put in there, guys?
That's
We have
the
put a
chip.
small chip into the pan.
That'll be the membrane. Round? Like a ruler. If you're ever stuck at school, take apart your computer, get a ruler.
Or just use the edge of something else.
That must be, that's the heater. Your computers have heaters.
Well, then why have they
Why
got
would you,
fans as
why,
well?
why do you want to heat it up?
Well, because sometimes
Right.
it's cold. We've got one part in. We've got the power supply.
But we still have all these wires, but we're going to ignore them for now and focus on the bits. Because
Drop that in there. You didn't actually have to drop it in, but I like the style. You ever played a PC game?
I used to play The Sims and Championship Manager. What did you used to play?
Solitaire.
Pretty
good.
good. No friends.
Pretty good, really exactly.
I mean, you
Why friends you play Championship Manager every day?
can play it online.
In the past, when you were a child.
There. Is that not that?
Oh my god! It's circles into circle holes. That.
We might have to
Ah! Stop it! Cut my fingers right under there.
I think we need to take that
No,
out.
no, feed it in. That must. That no, because these must.
No, I think this lies flat on the bottom.
Ah!
I can tell how proud of yourself you are as well for that.
Tell us when it's not funny.
It's
Tell
not
us when it's
funny.
not funny. Are you laughing for? Daddy. It's not funny, that. How'd you do that? That's just plain me.
Oh, that is much easier.
Yeah,
Right, we got the other one.
Yeah.
Yes.
Cooking with gas. Beer, Beer Blend, FR2000, 500, 197. G, Psycholical, C62, BL16, 25. G, Psycholical. Rolling in the deep. Adele.
I didn't even say that.
Nah. No income tax, no VAT, no money back. That way. Cut that bit out. You block that.
Can you cut me out?
Oh. There's brand new subscribers over there. Hit that subscribe button. Thank you. Giving the editor work. He needs to keep it busy. Oh, this is ridiculous. Sorry. I didn't mean to do that. This is ridiculous. Hey, what? Why? This is
Buy them pre-built.
It's just-
Jesus.
People spend fortune on RAM and graphic cards and cooling. Have you seen them on the internet? Like blue cooling. And he's got one. He's got like LED in. I don't know what LED stands for. Light emitting diode. That doesn't go in there.
I think it does.
But how would that? Oh, it does. My apologies. It doesn't. It doesn't. The man on the
On the
at
telly.
home is saying no.
Well, something goes in there.
Hang on. Oh no, that's the handle hole.
You're a handle hole.
Am I?
Why won't you go in anyway?
Sure.
I think it's in.
That's what you have to do. I told you. You got to flick the pinball switch.
It's not.
Right, we plugged this in. Remember, it's not actually plugged into anything.
Good.
There's no plugs in this. The plugs go in this. Is there any holes to?
I think the metal. It's like a conductor.
And then that's where the heat comes out and
Yeah.
then through the fan. We did it.
We did
So,
it.
what does it actually do? Slide it on. Heavy that. Slide it on. I think we should give it a go.
Plug it in.
Lovely. Hang on. Hang on. Hang on.
3, 2, 1.
There's a light.
There was a light.
It's a light.
There was a light there.
It's purring.
Where did you see your light? That's my light.
That's all I
There's
did.
another light here.
Yeah.
It's alive. Nice.
You smell that?
Yeah.
No. You smell it? No smoke. Because it's fine.
It's fine.
Stop doing that.
Sean, can we get an adjudicator's bell?
I was gonna say aye. That was
Yeah.
Looks good.
It looks
Yes.
good, baby. Well, there we go. Apparently, we didn't put any thermal gel on it,
So
because they were out at the shop. So,
So we can't leave it on for long,
Yeah.
but it did work.
but we plugged it all in. We fired it up. We imagine if we plugged it into a monitor, we'd be playing solitaire,
On some
Minesweeper,
websites.
Paint, you know when you used to
Oh,
colour the
MS
whole,
Paint.
yeah, you should
Yeah.
colour the whole thing in.
And then fill the colour, like do lines,
I
yeah?
love doing that. So there you go. If anybody out there has got any comments about how to build a computer in a better way,
Don't ask us.
yeah, or wants to tell us where we went wrong and we should have probably listened more,
Leave a comment.
yeah. Please like, share.
Subscribe. If you've got any suggestions for future videos, comment as well.
I've brought this from home.